Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I'm working ahead of time. It is still September right now, and you know what that means. If it's October, it's time for spooky season. As you guys know, I have done an autumn decorating video. I've decorated for Christmas on a video, and I've also done an Easter decorating video. But the key one right now that I'm missing, that we're missing, is me decorating for Halloween. And fun facts, I've actually never decorated for Halloween. It'll be a good first, even if I just do okay. It's still gonna be so much fun, and I can't wait. Such a fun time of year. There's so many different directions you can go in for Halloween. You can do super scary, you can do horror, you can do slasher, you can do cartoon, kiddie, fun stuff. There's no wrong way, there's no right way, and I hope to find my way along the way. I'm ready to get into it. I'm ready to have fun. Now, I already hurried and went Halloween hunting for how to haunt the house for this horrifying holiday. Try saying that 5 times fast. I am wholeheartedly ready to haunt this place up. We're winging it. Milo's in the window. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so everything's out of my trunk, and I think we'll go ahead, grab some of that stuff, and start setting up outside. Let's do it. We got a long way to go. So we got an awesome head start on decorating the outside. I went ahead and brought all these goodies upstairs. Now I can pick and choose which ones I want to pull from. Start decorating downstairs. Let's get started. All right, so right now we are in the kitchen and we're gonna start with the cabinets. This is my cabinet bag. So we got some garland, and then we have like a couple pumpkins and such to put up there, along with these lights. So we're gonna switch out the like white amber lights, and we're gonna put up some colorful ones. And I think they should react to that tinsel super nicely. Up, I have to show you this. Look how cute! I was trying to resist the whole gnome thing, then I finally just said the heck with it. This is my Halloween gnome! Milo, what do you think you're doing? We're not on this bag yet. We're still on this bag. Don't you go chewing up my stuff now, mister. You can help. Hey! You can help me by being a good kitty cat. How about that? We got some extra little tiny cute pumpkins, and to create some extra levels up there, I got some hay bales to plant them on top of. Oh my gosh, before we get too carried away, it's a velvety pumpkin. That's so cool. We do it for the vlog. We have our assortment of pumpkins, and I got some little key cats. Now we just gotta find a place to put them up there. Okay guys, let's see what we have so far. I love it. I think it's so cute. so this is my kitchen so far. I'm super loving it. We might have to check it out again when it's nighttime, but so far so good. Right now I want to start on the entertainment center. Let's make it spooky. This is what I'm going to use to decorate the bathroom. Oh my God, guys, I love this so much. I am the most excited for this next part. I just showed you the before of the bathroom. Look at the after. Oh my God. I love this. I had hoped it would turn out like half as cool as this. This glows way more than it's showing up on camera. You can kind of see how this is glowing. Of course, we have to have the nerdy stuff. We have scary, spooky toilet paper for our scary, spooky bathroom. And we have a kind of freaky Tim Burton-esque ducky because bathroom ducky toys. Anyway, bathroom is done. I don't even know what to do next because how do we top this? But we'll see what we can do. What's left on the list is I gotta do the stairwell. I'm not particularly looking forward to that. I just feel like that's gonna be a little challenging, but definitely fun, and it's gonna look awesome when it's done. Next up, here are some fluffy pillows, and we have a nice little fleecy blanket. I'm gonna set this up and we'll see what we get. I kind of was on a roll and I rolled with it. We have side tables done. We have the center coffee table done. All the pillows and blankets. It looks pretty good in my very humble opinion. We are almost done, you guys. Let's check out the updates. Oh, I can't wait to show you. I can show you this cute little skeleton. It's like a little witch skeleton reaching for the stars. And here we go with the centerpiece of the counter. In these little guys, there's the little black kitty over there, and then this other matching pumpkin over here. I put little battery operated tea lights. Yes, I'm watching TV while I set up. Shh, don't give away my secrets. So I'll have all of this lighting up. I'm gonna show you what it looks like at night just because it's gonna be super fun and spooky. Now, I'm very excited about this. If you can't tell, I'm really building up the suspense. I'm gonna show you the dining room table. I switched out the tablecloth. Milo, what do you think so far? Feel very Halloween-y? There's another spider web. Hi guys. That's resting and looking down upon my spooky table. Oh my gosh. This is designed after Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas. We got October 31st. We got Hocus Pocus, Trick or Treat. Closer look here. I love these little vials, jack-lanterns, witches' brooms, and then this is just little tiny bones. A little freaky, but also cute. How fun. Oh, I spotted something else I added. I added that. And then there's gonna be a bunch of cobwebs that I'm going to put everywhere. As of right now, I'm gonna get busy working on this bad boy. I'll show you. The bad boy is the stairwell. I'm excited and I'm ready to get to work. Got the step ladder set up in here. This is all the stuff that we'll be using over there. Here we go. Hopefully we can make some magic happen. Got some spiders to go in there. Just wait. We have the stairwell. I put some string lights. I was able to weave them in. Let's take a look at this. All right, right, so the stairwell did take some time, but I think all of this effort, a lot of effort, I think it's so worth it. Spooked up the place quite a bit. Now we get to enjoy it for the entire month of October. Then I gotta take it all down, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. Let's just take a look at everything that I've done. I added a few more things, so let's do a quick tour. All right, guys, that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the decorations. Maybe it gave you some ideas on how to spook up your houses. I will do another tour once the sun goes down and everything is nice and dark. Turn off all the lights and we can see how all of these running lights will look later in the night when you can see them really, really well. That's pretty much it. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay happy, stay healthy, stay bright. Bye, guys.